Hello guys, welcome back to Fast Fix channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable new settings app option in Windows 11. So first, all you need to do is download the Vibe tool on the GitHub. So as you can see right here, Vibe tool v0.3.3. And then if you scroll down, you need to make sure that you download the latest zip file of this Vibe tool right here. If you click this one, you will find at the bottom left corner of your screen it was downloading right now, and once you've done, you can now open this on your file explorer. So you just click the arrow button right there and just click on open. And right here, all you need to do is just click the extract all right there and just click this browse, and then find the this PC folder right there, and then click this one, and then find the Windows folder, and then find System32 folder right here. So click this one, and then click this select folder, and then click on extract and try to replace the files in the destination. And then to enable this feature right here, you just go to CMD. So go to search box and try to find CMD, and you need to make sure that you open this app, run this app as administrator. And now right here, you need to type a command. So for example, type Vibe tool space slash enable and then space slash ID, and then put the numbers right here. So you just put right here the number 4097 072, and then tap on enter, and then you'll find a message shows up saying successfully set feature configurations. Now once you've done adding that command on your computer, just go right here and restart your computer so you can now use the new feature regarding the new settings app option. So to find the latest app option right there, you just go on settings, and then go right here on the privacy and security option, and then you need to scroll down and find the search permissions right here. And then actually if you scroll down, you'll find this on your settings. Actually, I don't have yet on my computer, but as you can see right here, you have this new option which says let search app show results right here in Windows search results. But at the moment, it is a hidden feature right now that you can enable in Windows 11. So let's search app shows results. Pretty clear what this feature will do, but of course it's related to apps in the search box and in the search menu. Maybe this could be related to apps showing results inside the search menu, but I'm not really sure. Of course, I'm going to make update you guys in this new feature right here. So but yeah, this is how you basically enable new settings app option on your Windows 11 23471 or your updated version. So you can try, and let's see if your computer actually has this feature. And as I've said, you need to make sure that you download the Vibe tool on that GitHub and get the latest version of the zip file. So that's it. So if you find this helpful, please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on our next video.